Hi, I'm Harry. Uh, this is my Unit 5 assignment, the program 1. In this code, we use the mask to invite friends. You can see the code, and here is the pseudocode for the code. Now let me try some example. Example from 10 to 2, 3. Go to 10, 2, 2, 3. 1, 1379. 1379. Let me try more. Maybe 100, 2, 2, 6. Let me try. Okay. So this is the program 1. Let me see the program 2. This is a program about appointing a partner in event. You can say it's a very short code. So here, create a dictionary of partners. Here, it's make sure a student can be their own partner. And here is the check of partner in partner is in sentence. Here is the pseudocode. Let's try some example. Here has some name. It's copied from here. I copy from here. Pretty good. You see it's good. We try another example. Return bad. Here's bad. So thank you for watching.